Do you know that you can make six figures in dollars without an IT degree or master's in IT? I mean, you can literally work from home, be in control of your time, skip the hassle of driving long hours every day, and invest little in money and time to learn a high in demand IT skill. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel to make this opportunity reach a wider audience. Be the first to get daily tips on how to get started in your IT career. Make sure to save this video for future reference. Now let's get right into it. The tool that is making people with little or no IT experience six-figure dollars with no requirement for coding experience is SAP ERP software. Let me show you two SAP interfaces because it is easy to show than to tell. So welcome to my SAP ERP screen. Right here, you're seeing the SAP Easy Access, and all these different folders that you see right here is what we refer to as the SAP ERP trees. So what happens on this screen is basically managing and implementing all the different companies that are going to be using SAP processes. All right. So we're going to be training you on how to do some of these tasks, starting from giving you access to this real life system. And after you've been granted access into this SAP ERP system, you would now be able to learn how to, understand some of the basic navigations. You're going to be taught on the different applications that we have here that support, different functional areas within the business, such as logistics. You're going to see all the different functional modules like material management, sales and distribution. You're also going to be seeing, different functional modules such as extended warehouse management, quality management, project systems, and so on. Did I also forget to mention that during this training, you're going to also have the opportunity to learn how to use the SAP S/4HANA, which is the Fiori, the new user interface. So this is what that screen looks like. So imagine if you're working for a company that is into a lot of logistics and procurement, right? And that's what you want to learn with us. So I'm going to be training you on how to perform some of those transactions. As you can see on the screen right now, this is the purchase order processing, I would say, interface. And in here, you should be able to create, a couple of different things. These are different applications and Fury Launchpad. So within the training, we're also going to be training you to do that, right? And as you can see here, this is how we create, different vendors, to meet the business requirements. This is an implementation process that is really, really important. You're going to be learning how to do that. As you can see, these are different vendors that we have created for this particular, example. And this is a way how we create, different material masters. Let's say, for instance, the business wants you to create different material masters, for specific materials, at different units of measures and, at different gross weight, net weight, or maybe at different purchasing level or different accounting levels. So these are the different things that we're going to be training you guys, to learn within this particular, training exercise. They're very, very simple to perform. And let's say, for instance, you want to create a purchase order, for a particular material from a particular supplier, at a particular rate, let's say, for instance, at a particular date, say maybe on Christmas Day, 25th, good date. And then maybe you want to enter the price to be like $20, and then maybe you want to identify which plant, this particular material needs to be ordered for. You can choose the different plans and then, basically go ahead to create the purchase order and hit save or enter. So this is some of the things that we're going to be covering, if you are very interested to making six-figure as an IT SAP consultant. What do companies do with SAP? That is what we're going to be talking about next. Like I said earlier, they use it to manage their enterprise resource planning, also to streamline their operations, just like you have different mobile apps on your mobile device. So, how will this make you six figures in dollars? Very, very simple. I have helped different people in their journey to becoming SAP consultants. So here's the thing. When you start working with a business or an entity that is using SAP to integrate their business processes, you will help them to understand the SAP system. For example, a company could be operating different applications all at once, such as finance, SD, MM, and so on. So being a specialist within those different functional modules or application, you would help the business create a cohesive solution for their organizations. And then the benefits are huge, both for the companies and also for you, because number one, the business would be able to implement their processes, and then you'll be making a whooping 6 figures to the bank. So how can you learn SAP? The best way to start is joining our SAP MM Masterclass. It's designed for aspirants like you who wants to learn the ropes to SAP and unlock your new career opportunities. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up your skills, my masterclass will guide you through the essentials, the step by steps as well. And also, by following my channel, you will not only learn about SAP, but you would also gain access to the community of experts and job opportunities in the SAP field, because we share networking tips, industry insights, and job opportunities, helping you fast track your SAP career. The demand for SAP professionals is high, and companies are willing to pay top dollars for your expertise. Ready to start your 6 figure SAP career? Subscribe to my channel, join my masterclass, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. The future for SAP is awaiting you. Remember, SAP is your key to unlocking endless career opportunities, and you do not even need any IT experience or coding experience. All you just need is the zeal and your laptop, a good mentor, and then the sky is just a starting point.